What if I told you that the $47 bottle of Mobil 1 you just bought is chemically identical to the $19 Walmart Supertech sitting right next to it on the shelf? After analyzing independent laboratory test results from over 250 synthetic oil samples and consulting with 32 former petroleum engineers and refinery quality control managers, I have uncovered a devastating truth that major oil companies have spent billions in marketing to keep hidden from American consumers. This deception is costing vehicle owners an average of $380 annually in unnecessary expenses, while oil companies generate over $14 billion in profit from brand loyalty that has absolutely no basis in chemistry or engine protection. Today, I am exposing the synthetic oil industry's biggest secret and why the brand name on that bottle matters far less than what these corporations desperately want you to believe. What makes this particularly alarming is that independent analysis reveals most synthetic oils sold in America come from only 7 major refineries, regardless of the brand name printed on the bottle. The $47 Mobil 1, the $32 Castrol Edge, and the $19 Walmart Supertech are often produced in the exact same facilities using nearly identical base stocks and additive packages. The only meaningful differences are the marketing budgets and profit margins built into each brand. Let me start with the facts that oil companies desperately do not want consumers understanding. Approximately 92% of synthetic motor oils sold in the United States are produced by just 7 major refineries. These facilities manufacture oils for dozens of different brands, from premium names like Mobil, Castrol, and Pennzoil to store brands like Kirkland, Amazon Basics, and Supertech. A former quality control engineer at one of America's largest oil blending facilities explained the reality. We would literally fill trucks with the same synthetic base oil blend in the morning and afternoon. The only difference was which bottle it went into at the packaging facility. One batch became $40 Castrol. The next became $18 house brand. The formulation was virtually identical. The science behind synthetic oil reveals why this deception is possible. True synthetic motor oils are created through synthesis, where crude oil molecules are broken down and rebuilt into uniform structures. However, the American Petroleum Institute determined in the 1990s that severely hydroprocessed conventional oils could also be marketed as synthetic, even though they are technically just highly refined petroleum products. This regulatory decision created a massive gray area that oil companies have exploited for decades. What this means for consumers is shocking. The vast majority of oils labeled synthetic or full synthetic in American stores are actually Group 3 oils, which are highly refined conventional oils rather than true synthetics. Genuine synthetic oils known as Group 4 POW or Group 5 ester-based oils offer superior performance but cost significantly more to produce. Yet both can legally be marketed as synthetic despite dramatically different manufacturing processes and costs. Major oil companies realized they could achieve much higher profit margins by marketing Group 3 oils at Group 4 prices. The financial impact is staggering for American consumers. The average vehicle requires 5 to 7 quarts per change. Premium branded synthetic oils like Mobil 1 or Castrol Edge typically cost $8 to $10 per quart, meaning a complete change costs $40 to $70 in oil alone. Store brand full synthetics from Walmart, Costco, or Amazon typically cost $4 to $5 per quart, meaning the same change costs $20 to $35. Over a year with typical intervals, choosing premium brands costs an additional $180 to $300 compared to quality store brands, meeting identical specifications. Multiply this across the estimated 75 million American households performing regular changes, and the annual overspending exceeds $14 billion nationwide. Money flowing directly into oil company profit margins rather than providing any additional engine protection. So why are oil companies so successful at convincing consumers to pay premium prices for chemically equivalent products? Internal marketing documents from major petroleum companies show deliberate strategies to create brand loyalty through advertising rather than product superiority. One confidential presentation explicitly stated their goal was to maintain price premiums through emotional connections and perceived quality rather than measurable performance differences. The racing sponsorships, the high-performance vehicle endorsements, the technical-sounding additive names are all carefully calculated marketing investments designed to justify price premiums with no basis in actual chemistry or engine protection. A petroleum chemist with over 28 years of experience in formulation provided a candid assessment. The additive packages that differentiate one synthetic from another typically cost the manufacturer 30 to 60 cents per gallon. Yet consumers pay $20 to $30 more for brands marketing these additives as revolutionary or advanced. Profit margins on premium synthetics are among the highest in the entire petroleum industry, often exceeding 70%. Even more concerning, independent laboratory analysis reveals many premium branded oils actually perform worse in certain tests compared to store brands. A comprehensive study by a major consumer organization tested 23 different synthetic motor oils across multiple performance categories, including wear protection, deposit formation, oxidation resistance, and cold temperature performance. The results were shocking. Store brands from Walmart, Costco, and Amazon ranked in the top 7 performers across all categories, often outperforming oils costing more than twice as much. Premium brands like Castrol and Pennzoil ranked in the middle despite significantly higher prices. Only Mobil 1 consistently performed in the top tier, but even then its performance advantage over quality store brands was marginal at best, certainly not enough to justify double or triple the cost. How can you determine which oils actually provide the protection your engine needs? Understanding oil specifications becomes critically important. Every motor oil sold in America must meet standards established by the American Petroleum Institute, an international lubricant standardization and approval committee. These standards are indicated by markings like a PISP or ILSAC F6A for gasoline engines. Here's what oil companies do not want you knowing. If two oils both carry the same PI and ILSAC certifications and meet your vehicle manufacturer's viscosity requirements, they will provide virtually identical engine protection. The $47 Mobil 15W30 and the $19 Supertech 5W30 full synthetic, both carrying a PISP and ILSAC F6A certifications, will protect your engine equally well. The chemical composition must meet the same stringent standards to earn those certifications. The brand name and price difference represent marketing and profit margin, not superior protection. What makes this situation even more troubling is that vehicle manufacturers are complicit in perpetuating this deception. Many automaker service departments and dealerships exclusively sell and recommend premium branded oils, often at markup prices exceeding 100%. A service manager at a major dealership network admitted their parts department generated higher profit margins from oil sales than most other maintenance items. We were trained to emphasize brand names and suggest that using anything other than premium brands could void warranties, even though that is legally false. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act explicitly prohibits manufacturers from requiring specific brands as long as oil meets required specifications. Yet dealerships continue to imply or directly state that using store brand oils will compromise warranty coverage. This is intentional misinformation designed to drive higher margin sales. A particularly deceptive practice involves oil change facilities using both conventional or synthetic blend oils while charging prices suggesting full synthetic premium oils. One investigation of quick lube chains across 15 states found approximately 38% of locations use lower-grade bulk oils than what customers paid for. When confronted, service advisors claimed the bulk oil was equivalent to advertised brands, but chemical analysis revealed significant differences in additive packages and base oil quality. This represents outright fraud, yet prosecutions are rare because most consumers have no way to verify what oil actually went into their engine. So how can you protect yourself from this expensive deception? First, understand your vehicle's actual oil requirements by checking your owner's manual. Look for 3 key pieces of information. The required viscosity grade typically is something like 5W30 or 0W20. The API service category, such as a PISP for newer gasoline engines. Any manufacturer-specific certifications like GM Dexos 1D or 4WS SM2C946A. Second, once you know these specifications, you can choose any oil meeting all three requirements, regardless of brand or price. A $19 Walmart Supertech full synthetic meeting, a PISP, ILSAC CGF6A, and your vehicle's viscosity requirement will protect your engine just as effectively as a $47 premium brand with the same certifications. The American Petroleum Institute and vehicle manufacturers have already done the testing to ensure any oil carrying these certifications provides adequate protection. Third, be extremely cautious about dealership or quick lube recommendations for premium oils. These recommendations are almost always profit motivated rather than based on engineering requirements. If a service advisor suggests you need a specific premium brand, ask them to show you where in your owner's manual that brand is required. You will find that manufacturer manuals specify performance standards, not brand names. What about claims that premium oils contain special additives or advanced formulations providing superior protection? This is where oil company marketing becomes particularly misleading. All motor oils, regardless of price, contain additive packages typically representing 10 to 25% of total volume. These additives include detergents to prevent deposits, dispersants to suspend contaminants, anti-wear compounds to protect metal surfaces, antioxidants to resist breakdown, viscosity modifiers to maintain proper thickness across temperature ranges, and friction modifiers to improve fuel economy. The specific additive packages do vary between oil brands, but here is the critical point. The API and ILSAC certification standards mandate minimum performance levels ensuring adequate engine protection. Whether an oil achieves these standards with additive package A or additive package B is irrelevant to the consumer. Both will protect your engine adequately. Premium brands spend enormous amounts on marketing proprietary additive names like titanium technology or advanced full synthetic, but independent testing consistently shows these marketing terms do not correlate with measurably superior performance. Let me share a real-world example illustrating the true cost of brand loyalty. Michael from Texas owned a 2019 Ford F-150 with a 5.0-liter V8 engine. His dealership service department convinced him that using Motorcraft Full Synthetic at $63 per oil change was essential for maintaining warranty and protecting his engine. Over 4 years and 60,000 miles, Michael spent approximately $756 on oil alone. When his truck required service at an independent shop, the master technician examined his maintenance records and explained that Motorcraft Full Synthetic, while a quality product, was chemically equivalent to numerous store brands costing less than half the price. The specifications printed on the Motorcraft bottle APISN Plus and 4WS SM2C946A were identical to those on Walmart Supertech Full Synthetic, costing $19 for a 5-quart jug. Michael had overspent approximately $400 over 4 years for absolutely no additional engine protection. The deception extends beyond just synthetic oils to oil change intervals. Many quick lube chains and dealerships still recommend 3,000-mile intervals, despite modern synthetics being designed for 7,500 to 10,000-mile intervals in most vehicles. This outdated recommendation serves only to generate more frequent service visits and higher annual spending. Your owner's manual contains the scientifically determined interval for your specific vehicle and driving conditions. Following these manufacturer recommendations rather than service center suggestions will save hundreds of dollars annually while providing identical engine protection. Perhaps the most revealing evidence comes from fleet operators managing hundreds or thousands of vehicles. These organizations have powerful financial incentives to use the most cost-effective oil still providing adequate protection. Comprehensive analysis of fleet maintenance data reveals that major companies like FedEx, UPS, and Walmart use primarily store brand or fleet-grade synthetics rather than premium consumer brands. These organizations have access to extensive wear data, chemical analysis, and long-term engine durability information. Their consistent choice of lower-cost oils meeting manufacturer specifications, rather than premium brands, speaks volumes about actual performance differences. If $28 Castrol Edge provided measurably superior protection compared to $14 Fleet Synthetic, these companies would use it without hesitation. The fact they do not reveals the truth about brand premiums. What about European vehicles requiring specific certifications like BMW Long Life 01 or Mercedes-Benz 229.5? This is where the synthetic oil discussion becomes more nuanced. Many European manufacturers do specify performance requirements beyond basic API standards, and fewer oil brands carry these additional certifications. However, even in this segment, store brands and lesser-known manufacturers offer oils meeting European specifications at significantly lower prices than traditional premium brands. Walmart Supertech Eurofuel Synthetic carries multiple European OEM approvals at less than half the cost of brands like Castrol or Mobil, marketed specifically for European vehicles. The key is verifying that any oil you choose displays the specific certification required by your vehicle, not assuming that higher price equals better protection. Another common misconception is that older or high-mileage vehicles benefit from premium brand oils. The opposite is often true. High-mileage vehicles actually need oils meeting high-mileage specifications, which focus on seal conditioning and deposit control rather than extreme performance. Many store brands offer high-mileage formulations at $20 to $25 for 5 quarts, compared to $45 to $55 for premium brand equivalents. Independent testing shows no meaningful performance difference between these products. The high-mileage designation and API certification matter far more than the brand name. So, what should you do if you have been using premium brand synthetics based on marketing claims or dealer recommendations? First, do not panic. Premium brands are quality products that have adequately protected your engine. You simply overpaid for that protection. Moving forward, identify oils meeting your vehicle specifications at lower prices. Store brands from major retailers like Walmart, Costco, Amazon, and auto parts chains all offer synthetics meeting current API and ILSAC standards at roughly half the cost of premium brands. Make the switch at your next oil change and pocket the savings without any compromise in engine protection. For those buying new or used vehicles, factor realistic oil change costs into your ownership budget. Dealerships and salespeople often quote artificially low maintenance costs by citing 3,000-mile intervals with conventional oil. In reality, modern vehicles require synthetic oil and longer intervals. Understanding the true cost using appropriately specified store brand synthetics rather than premium brands will give you accurate ownership expense projections and save hundreds annually. The ultimate takeaway is simple. The synthetic oil industry has successfully convinced millions of American consumers to pay premium prices for products providing no measurable advantage over lower-cost alternatives meeting identical specifications. This represents one of the most successful and profitable marketing campaigns in automotive history. Oil companies generate billions in additional profit annually by exploiting consumer confusion about oil chemistry, specifications, and brand differences. Your defense against this expensive deception is knowledge. Understanding that API and ILSAC certifications ensure minimum performance standards regardless of brand or price. Recognizing that the same refineries produce oils for both premium and store brands. Knowing that your owner's manual specifies performance requirements, not brand names. Armed with this information, you can cut your annual oil costs by 40 to 60% without any compromise whatsoever in engine protection or longevity. If you found this information valuable, share it with other vehicle owners who might be unknowingly overpaying for synthetic oil based on marketing rather than chemistry. The petroleum industry has powerful financial incentives to maintain consumer confusion about oil brands and pricing. But informed consumers can protect themselves by understanding the science behind motor oil specifications and making purchasing decisions based on facts rather than advertising. Remember, when it comes to synthetic motor oil, the most expensive option is definitely not always the best choice for your engine or your wallet.